Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Rick White from 180 Biz, and this is my Just One Thing. We've been talking about getting help. We've been talking about where to find them, how to grow them, and how to help them improve. We've talked about how to grow our staff, right? Basically, whether through acquisition or apprenticeship or just improving the people we have. But one of the things that I see business owners, shop owners deal with all the time is they accept more responsibility for what's going on than they should. And I really want you to hear this. I listen to shop owners all the time tell me, listen, I'm not getting the hours I need for my guys. I need to get more hours for my guys. I need to do this. I need to do this. I got to make them do this. I got to make them do that. It is not your responsibility to make your techs or your advisors do stuff. You are not responsible for making them do something. That is not your responsibility to pick up. And let me explain what I mean. You have the responsibility to set a clear destination. You have the responsibility to understand how each person helps you get to where you're going to go. You are not responsible for what they do. You are responsible not for what they do or don't do. You are responsible for making sure that you have a destination, that you have you understand how each person is going to contribute, that you have the resources available for them. What does that mean? It means that I have the tools, the training, the equipment there for them to do their job. You are responsible for creating an environment that's challenging and fun. You are responsible for creating a compensation and benefits plan that helps your team see financial stability and success. Once you understand that you're responsible for the environment, you're responsible for the path, you're responsible for the resources, the rest of it is an invitation. You have to invite your team in. You cannot make them do it. You got to recognize that you're going to have some issues. You're always looking for the right person in the right position. And there's possibilities where you got somebody in the right position, but they're not the right person. But we've got to recognize where our responsibility ends and where the invitation begins, where we're inviting them in to be a part of something bigger, a part of something that's going to help them achieve their dreams. But you got to understand, not everybody's going to get on the bus. Not everybody's going to accept the invitation. Instead of you accepting responsibility for what they're not doing, there are going to be some people that are on your bus that are either been on too long and they don't want to go any further, and that's okay, or they never should have got on in the first place. And the worst thing you can do is keep them on the bus. That is not what we're there to do. Your goal is to help grow your team. If you feel like you're going into work in the morning and banging your head against the wall, step back. It's not the wall's fault. Step back and look at what the frustration level is. I guarantee you it's because you're needing this and getting this. And you keep thinking there's something wrong with you. And it's not the case. If you've got a destination, if you understand how everybody's going to help get you there, if you've got clear goals and expectations for everybody, you've given them the resources, the path, and the conditions to succeed, that is the end of your responsibility. And this is where accountability starts. Do you hear what that is? That is a very fine shift there, but that is super, super important to understand. You are responsible for this, and then you hold them accountable for this. And if they're not getting you this, then it's time to either have a real honest, okay, we're going to give you a period of time and we're going to work on this, but it's not forever. You're carrying a burden that is not yours to carry. It's not yours to pick up. If you have created the environment, if you've given them the resources, if you've shown them the path, And this is where you're going to see whether you've got someone that's on the bus that shouldn't be. You're going to find somebody that maybe you keep seeing potential in, you see potential, but they don't or won't see it. That's not on you, brother. That's not on you. That's not what this is about. This is about you giving them the opportunity and then helping them to take advantage of it, not make them take advantage of it. You're to help them see that opportunity. Remember what you are responsible for. You are responsible for giving them potential. It is up to them to make sure we get it. Thank you for being here. Listen, share this if you would, please. And also, we have our Pocket Business Genius webinar on this whole thing about getting help. Last thing, if you or a shop owner you know is struggling and needs a little bit of help, we're doing our Shop Owners Roundtable Thursday night, 7 p.m. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Stay safe. Have some fun and go make some money. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.